Multiply 780 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. The third partial product is 78,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the thousands column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the 10,000s column, bring down 7. The product of the whole numbers is 78,000, so 780 times 100 is 78,000.